bell icon for the latest update. Today you're gonna start with your discussion about which is your SBIPO. That will start here. SBIPO, this is your class 22. We had done your class 21st in the last classes, where we had even though completed your 43rd questions of this, where we had started with the paper of SBIPO solving, which is your section 1, that is reasoning ability. We had done your 43rd question in the last classes. If you had not visited that, you can just go ahead, you will find out the video there in the playlist. And other than that as well, we had done many of the competitions papers as well. So stay tuned with us, and please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and then you can also enjoy the video as well. Today we'll start discussing about 44th question, and that the question is, which of the following is a conclusion which can be drawn from the fact stated in the above paragraph? The first is, accurate estimate of number of people living below poverty line in India is possible to be made. Second is, many experts groups in India are not interested to measure poverty objectively. Third is, the process of poverty measurement needs to take into account various factors to tackle its dynamic nature. The fourth is, people living below poverty line remain in that position for a very long time. And the fifth is, none of the above. So let's go for the same. Although the 44th question, which of the following is a conclusion which can be drawn from the fact stated in the above paragraph? So for that, we have a first statement, that is your accurate estimate of numbers of people living below poverty line in India is possible to be made. The second is, many expert groups in India are not interested to measure poverty objectively. The third is process of poverty measurement needs to take into account various factors to tackle its dynamic nature. The fourth is people living below poverty. Below poverty line remain in that position for a very long time. So, and the fifth one is none of these. So we'll have to choose among them. So don't worry about it. The answer will be the third one, the third option. So we'll go for the third one. The process of poverty measured needs to take into an account various factors to tackle its dynamic nature. That will be the right answer. Now we move ahead and we'll talk about for the next question. That is the 45th question of the session. That we have as follows. Although the question is, which of the following is an inference which can be made from the fact that stated in the above paragraph? So we'll go for it. And for that we have an option. Poverty measurement tools in India are outdated. The second is increase in numbers of persons falling into poverty varies considerably across the country over a period of time. The third is the government of India has stopped measuring poverty related studies. Fourth is the people living in rural areas are more susceptible to fall into poverty over the time. And the fifth is the none of the above. That is the question here, and that we have to cover up. So let's figure it out. Which of the following is an inference which can be made from the fact facts stated in the above paragraph? The first is poverty measurement tool in India are outdated. The second is increase in number of person falling into poverty varies considerably across the country. Over a period of time. Now we go for the third statement, that is your Government of India has stopped measuring poverty related studies. Now the fourth one we have people living in rural areas are more susceptible to fall into poverty over the time. And the fifth is none of these. Okay, so this is the question. Now we go for it, and that will figure it out as well. So for this type of a question where you have to follow the statements and then accordingly you have to answer it out. So we have an answer here for this, that is the statement 2. The statement 2 is the right answer, and that is your increase in numbers of persons falling into poverty varies considerably across the country over a period of time. That is the right answer for this particular question. Now we go for another question, and that is your problem figures, and we have similar answer figures as well, and then you have to comment answer it out accordingly, that which of the question statement has been the right answer. So according to that, we will be here in each of the question given below, which one of the 5 answers figures should come after the problem figures, and if the sequence were continued you have to answer it out accordingly कि कौन सा sequence उस particular आगे के लिए follow करता है, तो that you have to answer it out. Let's go for it. We are having 46th question of the session. So problem figure, we have answer figure. So this is being the figure we have here. second figure, proper figure we have. The third figure we have. Next figure we have. Then another figure we have. Okay, now we have an answer figure here. That is been as follows. This is the first figure. Second figure we have. Third, this is the second figure. The third figure, fourth and the fifth figure we have as follows. The third figure we have. This is the third figure. Fourth figure we have. Fifth figure we have. This is the fifth figure. So among them, the right answer is your the figure among this that the sequence can be matched here. So for that it will be your the second figure, which is this figure. The second figure here, because here for the second figure, a downward left side diagram that moves anti-clockwise at 45 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. Upward a right side diagram that moves left then right. When it becomes on left side, becomes twice. And middle diagram makes a water image of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Answer the figure. So also interchange their places. So it will be the second one. Now we move ahead for the another one, which is the 47th question of the session as well. That we have as follows. So that will continue in the next coming class. So we'll be going to end up with as well, and that is the 47th question in your 23rd class of the session, and that surely we will be ending it up. So stay tuned with us and please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information once and everything. You can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you. If you enjoy this video, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.